Let's do some Top That Trade featuring trading pros Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Round number one, guys. Shrinking market. Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan Chase, spelled out all of his worries this week. On his worry list, fewer publicly traded stocks. Are you concerned about a smaller stock market?
Absolutely not. I'm worried about shrinkflation and the smaller Doritos. That's what I'm worried about, but not shrinking stocks. The fact is, it's supply and demand. Less stocks, more money going in the stock market. I'm the bull market genius here, so I'm very optimistic. That's only helpful. But what's important is you've got so many opportunities. You don't have to buy and hold stocks for years or months. You can go any direction, any market, any time. So if you want to be an active trader, there's opportunity there. If you want to be a long-term trader, there's opportunity there. So I look at this as a positive.
It is definitely innovation in the market. And you're seeing companies that would traditionally go public go different directions to raise capital. And this is a sea change. Now, part of this could be the regulatory environment. Some of it could be, more changes. And you've seen more companies that were public reverse and go back private than we've seen probably in many, many years.
Round number two, metal dance. Traders and investors are having a romance with gold, silver, and other metals. What metal do you love best?
I mean, I love all the metals. I really do. In industrial
You got to
metals,
pick one. Pick one lover.
You got to pick one lover. Okay. I'm torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Okay, if I had to pick one metal that I think is really undervalued, and it's not for everybody, it's aluminum. I think aluminum could be the sleeper in the market right now. Why do I say that? I look at the supply side. Listen, we see shortages of palladium and platinum and all of those markets. But, to trade those kind of markets are very expensive, very risky, where aluminum percentage-wise is a lot cheaper. So look for aluminum. And at the very least, if you have to take delivery, make it out or something.
You can make your tinfoil hats. All right, my answer is silver. Now, if you go in the Wayback Machine, we were almost this close to 50 back in 2011. And if you put that in the inflation calculator, silver would have to get to 69 just to get to that level. So we've got a lot of upside. We're trading at 28 right now, whereas gold's at its all-time forever highs, even adjusted for inflation. I like silver.
Round three, old is new. We talk about hot AI stocks. What's the better buy, NVIDIA or Amazon?
Well, it depends on your maturity and the company's maturity. So NVIDIA is seemingly less mature than Amazon. Amazon has three businesses that all produce, and both these companies bring in 100 billion in revenue per year. So they're all doing very, very well. But I think Amazon, from a diversity standpoint, has more legs on its stool. It's got a three-legged stool, whereas NVIDIA is just NVIDIA.
Yes, Alan is very good at sitting on three-legged stools, by the way. One of the things, one of the things that I said, listen, NVIDIA is transformational. Amazon is a transformational company. They're both. And one of the things that Amazon has done in the past and have been very successful is allow people to use their platform to sell their products. And what did Amazon do with that? They learned what they were doing. They saw where they were making money, and they started to transform their company and came up with a product that would compete with the people that were using their website. And that's what we're seeing in the chip space right now with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is rewriting and breaking all the rules. They're ahead of the curve right now. Places like Amazon, Microsoft are all trying to catch up right now, even Google. Everybody wants to get into the chip space. They could cut into NVIDIA's market share somewhere down the road. But, from a viewpoint, I like both stocks long term, but I like Amazon. I've always been a big believer in Amazon, but I own them both, so I'm going to keep them both.
Maturity would say Amazon, but I'm not that mature.
For your bonus round question today, the Masters. Caddies at the Masters bag how much in earnings? $1,000, $3,000, or $10,000?
Well, I think they also get a percentage of the winnings, or they used to. I don't know. Let's just say 10,000.
I think I'm going to go with 10,000. In the cost of the caddies have gone up. I am a former looper. Yes, that's a name for a caddy. So I understand that the caddies are very valuable to a lot of these golfers, believe it or not. And especially when they win, these caddies do very, very well. So I'm going to go with the higher number.
Caddies at the Masters make around $3,000 to caddy, but I'm giving it to you because they do get a cut from the winner's purse. How about a couple of green jackets?
Hey, man, I like it. I look good in green, by the way. I tried it on St. Patrick's Day. It worked great.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.